Good morning everyone. So today we will discuss the adaptations of animals living in the tropical rainforest. Clear? We'll discuss about adaptations of animals living in the tropical rainforest. Now, first of all, let us talk about adaptations of monkeys. Now, yesterday I told you about the climate of tropical rainforest. Okay na? Now, the climate of tropical rainforest is hot and humid. Even I can say the climatic conditions of tropical rainforest is favorable. Okay? The climatic conditions of tropical rainforest is favorable. There is continuous warmth and there is plenty of rainfall. Due to the favorable climatic conditions, tropical rainforest supports a wide variety of plants and animals. Now think, if there will be large number of plants and large number of animals in tropical rainforest, then obviously they will fight for space and for shelter, right now? So the animals and plants living there must have some adaptations to survive in the tropical rainforest. Am I clear? So now let us talk about the adaptations of monkey. As in the tropical rainforest, there is an intense competition for space, for food. So animals are adapted in different ways. Like if I talk about monkeys, they are adapted to live on the trees. Clear? As on the ground, there will be a competition for space, right? So monkeys are adapted to live on the trees. So what is their adaptation? They are adapted to live on the trees. Now here come the question. How can they live on the tree? They must have some adaptation, right now. They must have some special feature for that. So for this, they are having a long tail. You must have seen the tail of monkeys, right now. This tail helps them to grasp, to hold the branches easily. Okay, so what is their adaptation? Monkeys have long tail. Monkeys have long tail to grasp branches. Clear? Now, one more adaptation they are having. Their feet. Their feet are designed in such a way that they can easily hold the branches. Clear? So, how are monkeys adapted in the tropical rainforest? In order to avoid the competition for space, they are adapted to live on the trees. And for this, they are having a long tail plus their feet are designed in such a way that they can easily climb on the trees and they can easily hold the branches. So now let us talk about adaptations of toucan bird. Now, as I told you, in the tropical rainforest, due to the favorable climatic conditions, there is a variety of plants and animals. Okay, now due to this variety, or due to, I can say, due to large number of plants and animals, there is a competition between them for food. So many animals, they are adapted to get the food from the places that are not easily accessible. Okay, and its example is toucan bird. Now let us talk about its adaptation. It has long and large beak. Clear? Toucan bird has long and large beak. Now, with the help of long and large beak, it can easily get the food from the branches where it cannot easily go because of its heavy weight. Am I clear? So, in toucan bird, long and large beak is present, and this beak helps the toucan bird to get the food from the branches where it cannot go, or from the branches which cannot, you can say, bear its weight. So with the help of this long and large beak, it can easily take the food from the far off branch. Am I clear? Now let us talk about adaptations of lion-tailed macaque. Now next animal is lion-tailed macaque. Now, if I talk about the adaptation of lion-tailed macaque, then it is adapted to live on the trees. Okay, in order to avoid the competition for space, it is adapted to live on the trees. Clear? Even this animal, it used to spend the major part of its life on the tree only. It rarely comes on the ground. Am I clear? This animal spends a major part of its life on the tree only. It rarely comes on the ground. From the tree only, it used to take its food. Okay, like it used to eat fruits, twigs, branches, leaves. Okay, so on the tree only it is getting proper amount of food, so it rarely comes on the ground. So in this way, lion-tailed macaque is adapted. Okay, it is a good climber and it spends major part of its life on the tree. Clear?